What's up guys, we finally have some exciting news about Google's Pixel Fold. After years of rumors, we now have a live look at the upcoming Foldable, thanks to leakster at Hubert Wojciechowski. Let's dive into the details. The leaked 6-second video confirms the Pixel Fold's design is similar to the renders predicted, with a noticeable bezel around the main folding screen and an overall footprint resembling Oppo's Find N2. The device features a 7.6-inch main screen and a 5.8-inch cover screen, both OLEDs with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Pixel Fold is expected to be equipped with a Tensor G2 chipset and measures 158.7 x 139.7 x 5.7 millimeters, 8.3 millimeters including rear camera bump. It's anticipated to debut at Google I/O, which starts on May 10th, with open sales beginning in late June. Pricing is rumored to start at $1,799, and it will be available in carbon and porcelain colors. According to John Prosser from Front Page Tech, the Pixel Fold could be teased as early as April 26th, with a full announcement and pre-order start following on May 10th. Actual availability is set to begin on or around June 27th. The Pixel Fold is rumored to have a 4,500 mAh battery, only 100 mAh larger than Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4. Google aims to provide beyond 24-hour life and up to 72 hours of endurance in an extreme battery saver mode. However, it's unclear how they plan to achieve this with the current battery capacity. One not so encouraging detail is the HD+ resolution of the Pixel Fold's outer display, which is a downgrade from the 2092 x 1080 pixel count FHD+, tipped by Prosser. Although the Z Fold 4's secondary screen is also HD+ at a resolution of 2316 x 904 pixels. Is the Pixel Fold worth $1,800 and up? This is the million-dollar question. With two configurations offering 256 GB and 512 GB storage, priced at $1,799.99 and $1,919.99 respectively, consumers will have to decide if it's worth it. Google is expected to include a complimentary Pixel Watch for early adopters as a sweetener. Proprietary software features like Magic Eraser and Photo Bundler could be key selling points. The Pixel Fold is rumored to have a unique camera setup. The inner screen does not have a hole in the display for the camera, opting for an old-school layout. The camera is placed above the screen, with the dead space extended across the top. This design choice could be a step backward when compared to hole-punch displays. The Pixel Fold's bezels serve a purpose in foldable phones. They are raised plastic rims that keep the floating sections of the display attached to the phone body and prevent debris from entering the display. They also stop the two halves of the screen from grinding together when the phone is closed. However, the Pixel Fold's bezels appear wider than necessary. The Pixel Fold will face fierce competition from foldable devices like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. While the Pixel Fold is highly anticipated, its success will depend on its ability to outperform its rivals in terms of design, performance, and overall user experience. The Pixel Fold is expected to come with the latest Android OS and Google's suite of applications. As a Google product, it will have a clean, bloat-free software experience, timely updates, and exclusive features like Magic Eraser, Photo Bundler, and Google Assistant integration. The Pixel Fold is an exciting addition to the foldable phone market, bringing Google's expertise in software and user experience to a new form factor. As we wait for the official announcement, it's essential to remember that some details may change. Ultimately, consumers will determine if the Pixel Fold lives up to its hype and can compete with other leading foldable devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech news. Let us know your thoughts on the Pixel Fold in the comments below. See you in the next video.